I'm Dee. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you guys what I drink in a day in order to lose weight. I will be sharing with you guys as well my weigh-in. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have tried any of these drinks out, please comment down in the comment section below. I was really scared to weigh in this morning, and I do apologize for not updating you guys on my weekly weigh-in last week. Last Saturday was my birthday and I was out of town, so I was not able to upload accordingly.
Oh no!
I am a little sad, but hey, I'm gonna press forward. I did want to enjoy my birthday. I absolutely did that. Today is a new day, a new week, and I cannot wait to share with you guys my next week weigh-in, as well as my body images, as well as measurements. Until the next video, bye!